guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well today. So as you guys see by the title, we are gonna be trying out a new wig that I just got, girl. And this wig was provided from Samsbeauty. They sent me this here to review for you guys, and I'm very excited because I really like how this wig looks. So this is the wig that we are going to be trying out today. So this is a studio cut natural deep part lace wig. I don't know the inch, but it looks really long, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys the cue card in a minute, but this looks really nice, and I got the color 1B. Okay, so this is her. She is so straight. This is like a bone straight wig. I'm not sure if it mixed with human hair. We're just gonna see. Okay, so this is the cue card here. This is what she looks like. Like I said, I got the style 1B. So this is an ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace, a realistic natural hairline, and it looks like it's already pre-plucked. It has baby hair right there. Okay, ooh, she is straight, girl. Okay, so we're gonna see if this could take heat. I'm gonna put a little heat on it, which I don't need to, but I just put a little bit so we could check it out. And I'll try to keep the baby hair this time because I usually cut it out, because I usually don't mess with baby hair, because as you guys could see, I got a lot of hair on my forehead, so I'm not a really baby hair type person. So this could take heat up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. Gently remove tangles with finger or pick comb. Do not brush. This is all the hair they have with this line. I would like to try all of them because I really like how they look, but I like bone straight hair, so we're gonna see. This might be my graduation hair. Let's see if I like it. So we get 3 combs, one on each side here, and we got one in the bottom. And also you could take off the elastic if it's too tight, and then we're gonna put some heat on it. But this is all of the hair, girl, which is a lot. So hopefully this hair don't tangle anything. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is really cute. Really like that it's bone straight. So I'm gonna take my comb. Let's see if it tangles, if we get any shedding. You guys know I like to do that for you guys. It tangled a little bit. Yeah, a little tangle there. This is pretty long. Okay, so we are experiencing a little shedding. I feel like this is gonna tangle a lot. I do like the fact that it's bone straight. I really don't have to do too much to it, but it's tangling a little bit. This is how it looks when I brush it off. It's very, very soft. Okay, I want to see if it's gonna tangle again. I'm gonna let you guys know, but so far I like it. I'm gonna put a little heat on it, so let me just cut the lace and we're gonna see what happens. As you guys can see, it's really, really cute. Oh yeah, it's tangling. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks. This is a very simple wig. You really don't need to put heat on it if you don't want to. And it tangles, okay? This is not an everyday type wig for me. And I think this wig has synthetic hair in it as well. So it's not 100% human hair. When I take it out from the box, it was really smooth. The tangle was not there yet. This is not even half of the shading that I got. This is just the amount that I had on my table. Now the wig is not shiny or anything. I like it, but I won't use this every single day. I like the length. It's really long, like long, okay? I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I didn't put too much heat on it. I just wanted to straighten it a little bit because it was a little bit too wild. Now this wig is really nice, very long, but it will tangle, okay? I wouldn't recommend this wig for everyday type use. I would just wear it for like just YouTube wise or to take pictures, but I won't recommend this to go outside and the wind get this wig. You're gonna be brushing for your life, okay? I like synthetic wigs, but I don't like wigs that I have to keep on combing. It's just like too much. But beside this, I really do like it. It's straightforward. And then I just take a little bit and put around my ear because that is just how I like my hair. I don't like hair too much in my face. I didn't cut out the baby hair that it came with. I am not the type to put baby hair around my head. I already have a lot on my forehead, so I just try to mimic what I have with this type of color wigs. That is just what I go for. If you like the whole baby hair type look, it's there for you. But I do like this wig and I recommend it if you guys want to try it out. It's not a really bad wig. So now that I'm like playing with the wig, it's tangling again. This is not 100% human hair. I could tell. I want to know what you guys think about this wig. If you guys want to pick it up, it will be in the description box below. And thank you to Samsbeauty for providing this wig for review. Thank you guys so much. So if this is your first time here, hey girl, thank you so much for subscribing. Also, share this video with your friends and family. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys want to see more wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up as well. Hit that notification bell, girl, so when your girl upload videos, you will be notified. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.